So let's start looking at this practice homework, graded homework 2. Here's question 1. How many elements are in the 6th period of the periodic table? So here is a periodic table, and really this is no more than just looking down, counting down the rows. 6th. Now remember what this question, I asked you this question for, is to stress that there are 1, 2, and then remember 57 through 71. All these down here fit into that block. And then we pop back up and go to 72. So another way to think about this, you could take the end here, take that number, which is 86, subtract off 55, and what would you get? Let's just count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. There you go. Now, question 2. The alkaline earth metals are found in, here's again just a knowledge question. Do you know the names? We said group 1 is the alkaline metals, group 7 the halogens, group 8 the noble gases, and the alkaline earth metals are group 2. So moving on to question 3, group 7A, best known as, and we just talked about that. Remember, this one is numbered 1 through 18. It's the new way these periodic tables are numbered. And all you have to do to make them equal to the old one is remember where the representatives are, and those are the towers on either side, transition metals in the middle. And then to get the group number, you drop the 1. So this would be group 3 here, group 4, 5, and group 7. And their representative, that makes it a 7A. These are called the halogens. Question 4, at room temperature, which one of the following exists in the liquid state? So again, we look at the periodic table, liquid state. Remember the default is they're all solids. Gases are hydrogen, and then we start again at the most abundant gas in the atmosphere, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and then we switch, we reverse and go down, fluorine, chlorine are gases, and then we hit bromine. One of the liquids, with the exception of the other exception over here, is mercury. In this periodic table, that's why they are in blue, the gases are in red, and solids are in the black. So at room temperature, which of the following is in the liquid state? You can choose, it's mercury. Question 5, what is the charge of phosphide ions? So let's go back to the periodic table, find phosphorus. Now when they're in the ion form, we drop that end, keep the stem, and it becomes phosphide. It is in group 5. It is, these greens are the nonmetals. Nonmetals take on negative charges, so this is group 5, minus 8 makes it a minus 3 charge for phosphide. Question 6, determine the charge on the iron-iron in the compound Fe2O3. So in this particular, so let's knock that down again. Go back. It is iron Fe2O3. So in this particular Fe, so Fe2O3. Go back to the periodic table. Find iron we find oxygen. We know what the charge is on oxygen. And that happens to be 6 minus 8 or 2 minus. So each of those is a charge of 2 minus times 3 equals 6 minus. So there has to be 2 irons, each one with a 3 plus. So the way you might draw that, Fe, each of those with a 3 plus, and then O's, each of those with a 2 minus. And that, your charge on that is 3 plus then.